Hi YouTube family, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. It has been a very long time since I have filmed a video, and transparent moment, I have not been in the best space. Like, I'm filming this video like 3 o'clock in the morning because I have the energy to do it, and I haven't had the energy to do stuff like this and get dressed up and do my hair and put makeup on in months. So I'm like, let me get some content out there. So one of the things I'm going to film is my Christmas luxury haul, so that I could get this video out before Christmas, or at least on Christmas. I'm doing it a couple of days ahead of time. So I'm opening up my gifts early, and I'll just watch my family open their gifts. So the first thing I want to show you, because I want to save the best for last, what I'm most excited for. The first item is my first ever Marc Jacobs item. I don't own any Marc Jacobs. I think I just have like a card holder, and that's it. Pretty basic. So I saw this color, and I've been looking for a nice brown leather cognac, and it's hard to find the perfect one because some of them have too much of an orange undertone and some of them are just too So I got the mini tote bag in the color Argan Oil. Y'all, I love this color so much. And I have my ring light on like super high, so it's pretty much getting like a pretty good color that it is in real life. So I'd say what you see is kind of like the color you're going to get. And so this is the mini. They have a micro, which is like really smaller than this, and then they have a medium and then a large, but the large is too big. And lately I've been into smaller purses, so for this to be the mini, this is still a good size. So this is like the perfect size, not too small, not too big, like the perfect in between. And the reason why this is a perfect size is because obviously I'm skinny, but I'm also only 5'6", so you know. And I love Marc Jacobs' new dust bags in this new pattern. Like, this is really cute. When it came with this dust bag, I was like, and you guys, I must say I am impressed with Marc Jacobs. Like, I got this bag so fast. The shipping was fast. I ordered from the official website. The leather quality is just amazing. The construction is amazing. And it was really worth the money. Now, I usually don't like to say prices because you know how YouTube trolls are. So this was $3.75. Okay guys, so my phone ran out of space, so I'm going to try to get this next part filmed quickly, so bear with me if I'm kind of like talking fast or whatever. I need to clear my phone space out. So anyways, yes, I in a separate video will go over the details of this bag, and I will try to use it before then. It comes with a strap, so you can wear it either way. And I'm so in love with this, and I cannot wait to wear this. I will probably wear this out when I go to dinner. Next up, you guys, I have something from Neiman Marcus. Y'all, Neiman Marcus over Saks, period. But anyways, so I got a new pair of shoes for the summertime because one, I needed these to match this scarf I have, this designer scarf I have / shawl. Like, I can have it draped over and, like, you know, just be a vibe, because like on rooftops at night it's windy. When you're by a body of water, like it gets cold on a boat cruise, whatever the case may be. And in my closet, and this summer I noticed that I didn't have any like slide-on shoes. Like, I'm kind of tired of my Tory Burch Millers, and then I had these cheap slide-ons from Baccarat that I just want to throw away. So anyways, I invested in a pair of Givenchy slides, and y'all, it's gonna match the shawl / scarf perfectly. And yeah, so it just says Givenchy. This is how the box is. I'm a size 40, so I'm like a 9.5. So like in European sizes, you have to go up like a half size. So yeah, so let me try to get this. You know, Givenchy is very simple, black and white, but they're simple because they have quality, and that's what I like about them. Y'all, the smell. So it comes with the product card details. This is my first Givenchy product, and it's in there, and I'm pretty impressed. And so it comes with 2 dust bags. And the difference with Givenchy than other designer brands is that they just put the shoes in there and then they put the dust bags on top. But Givenchy actually puts the shoes in the dust bags, which it's simple, but it just stands apart because they're protecting the shoe beforehand. So all black dust bag. Then on the back it has a black logo, as you can see on the footbed, the logo. And then it kind of has a little, the GG pattern, which is subtle. And that's why I liked it, because it was subtle, but it wasn't just like super plain. But yeah, so these are made in Italy, and these are so simple. In another video, I'm gonna show you guys an outfit of the day later on with these and the scarf. It's gonna be top tier. And now on to my most exciting gift. I'm so extra, y'all, I know. If you know, you already know. Yes, MFK Maison Francis Kirk Dijon. The bag is so cute. I got the fragrance from Neiman Marcus as well, but they put it in the specific, you know, brand's bag. And I got none other than Baccarat Rouge. Yes. But I got the extrait, however it's pronounced. But yeah, there's Eau de Parfum, and then there's the Extrait de Parfum. So the Baccarat Rouge 540, and this comes in the red box and bottle. And what's so cute is that the house is on the sides. It's made in France, and this is the 2.4 fluid ounce, also aka 70 millimeter, whatever measurement you use where you're from. Logo up top here, and it was wrapped in plastic, but y'all, I was so excited and I wanted to smell it that I took the plastic off already. But I'm gonna do this with y'all. So this one is in the red bottle instead of the clear bottle, and this one was more than the regular one. which I didn't know it was $100 more than the regular one. But when I smelled the two, I liked this one because it was a smidge sweeter, and I love sweet perfumes. So yeah. So here we go. And it's all the little details. So it has the logo on the tab. And then it has the logo in the background there. I am so excited, y'all. Now, this was a splurge. But I've been going through some things, and so I was like, you know what? Let me get this for myself for Christmas. I got everybody else's Christmas gifts out the way. So I'm like, let me treat myself. Logo here. Gold plate right here. On the regular one, it just has the paper, but this one is like a gold metal plate attached. As it should be. Charging $100 more. I definitely need an upgraded bottle too. Then the red bottle to me is so chic, sophisticated, expensive, classy, all the above. Logo right here. Yeah. Now they say this one is supposed to last longer than the regular one as well. Y'all, I have never smelled anything like it before. They say you can get by with only one, but I'm gonna be obnoxious. Oh. And you guys, I am bad with describing scents, notes. Like, my recommendation is go to a Neiman Marcus. If you don't have a Neiman Marcus near you, then a Nordstrom. Not all Nordstroms will carry this one. The ones in big cities will carry this in store, because this is a very exclusive product. Because where I live, the Nordstrom doesn't have this one in store. I would say try it on, spray it. It has a sweet, sophisticated, classy, feminine, expensive smell. Like, when I wear this, I feel like, yeah, I'm that girl. I'm a boss. Like, I'm the first lady. I'm the Queen Elizabeth. I love it. Oh, I don't want to mess up my gold plate. But yeah, so it just says Baccarat. Yeah. Don't want to mess up the bottle. Thank you all so much for watching. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope you all have some gifts you can enjoy for yourself. Treat yourself. Hope your loved one, spouse, whoever got you something you'll really enjoy and that's been on your list that you deserve. So comment down below which item is your favorite, and if you have any of these items, let me know how you enjoy them, or if it's on your radar, let me know that too. I'll see you looks girls later. Bye.